In previous video, we learn about the general term of arithmetic progression. That is, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. See, this is what nth term. Nth term means if n is equal to 5, then this will be the fifth term. N is equal to 6, then it will be the sixth term. So here this is what general term or nth term. This is what first term. This is what number of term. Means which term is this? This is what common difference. Means what we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 values here. Out of these 4 values, 3 values will be given, and with the help of this relation we can find out the fourth value. The same thing we have to do in the examples and question related to the general term or nth term of AP. Example number 3 of NCERT. Here find 10th term of an AP. AP is 2, 7, 12. So given AP is 2, 7, 12 and so on. We have to find out here 10th term. So two things easily we can find out with the help of this given AP. That is first term and the common difference. So here first term is A is equal to 2 and the common difference D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. ठीक है, सेकंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस कर देंगे तो कॉमन डिफरेंस हो जाएगा, थर्ड में से सेकंड कर देंगे तब भी कॉमन डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out 10th term. So the formula for 10th term will be what? A plus 9D. Why it is so? Because we have n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. This is formula for nth term. So here if we write n, then the coefficient of d is what? 1 less than n. ठीक है, अगर 10th term फाइंड आउट करें तो 10 minus 1 9, तो हम इसको डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. ओके, a is what? 2 plus 9 into d, common difference is what? 5. So it is 2 plus 9 5 ja 45. So 45 plus 2, that is 47. Hence what we conclude, 10th term of given AP is 47. Example 4 of our NCERT book. It is what? Which term of the AP is minus 81? Which term of this AP is minus 81? And also is any term is 0? We have to find out. Means here term is given. We have to find out the number of term. So what will be the number of this term? Whether it is 5th term, 7th term. Okay. So first of all, given AP. Given AP is what? 21, 18, 15 and so on. So the first two things, that is first term, it is represented by A is 21 and the common difference D is equal to 18 minus 21, that is minus 3. Okay. Now we know that what? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1d means this is the formula for nth term. Here it is given that which term is minus 81. So we assume that let the nth term is minus 81. Here we assume here let what an is equal to minus 81 means हमें term given है. Okay, so this is minus 81 plus a is what 21 equal to plus n minus 1. We don't know what is the number of this term, but we know the d is what minus 3. मैंने इस वीडियो के फर्स्ट में डिस्कस किया था कि आउट ऑफ 4 थिंग्स 3 थिंग्स विल बी गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फोर्थ थिंग. ओके, so here n is given, a is given, d is given, we have to find out n. Okay, and it is very simple to find out n. Okay, simple, we will use the rules of equations. minus 81, 21 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दें, minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So it is minus 102 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. minus 3 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में इधर आएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, minus 102 अपॉन minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. ये हो जाएगा 3 3 जा 9 and 3 4 जा 12, 34 means n minus 1 is equal to 34. This imply n is equal to 34 plus 1, that is 35. Means 35th term is minus 81. Hence what? 35th term of given AP is minus 81. In the same way, we can find out which term is 0. So again we will use the same thing. Again we will use the same formula. Yes, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Here an is what? 0. You have to find out which term is 0. A is same 21 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Minus 3. 21 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दे तो minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. 3 इधर डिवाइड होगा तो 3 7 जा, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? n minus 1 is equal to 7. थोड़ा सा मैंने स्टेप्स यहाँ डायरेक्ट कर लिया, ठीक है. ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो 3 7 जा 21 और यहां से मिल जाएगा n is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. means 8th term of given AP is 0. 8th term of this given AP is 0. Example 5 of our NCERT book. We have to determine an AP here whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Here we have to determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So what is given? Third term is given. And we know that the third term is what? A plus 2D. And this is given, it is equal to 5. Okay. Now the second thing is seventh term. Seventh term means it is A plus 6D. Formula for seventh term is what? A plus 6D. And it is given what? 9. So what we get? We get the two linear equation in two variables. A and D. ये दोनों जो equations है, ये लीनियर इक्वेशंस है 2 वेरिएबल्स में, ठीक है, जिसमें ए और डी वेरिएबल्स है. एलिमिनेशन मेथड, हमने लीनियर इक्वेशन को उठाता है, एलिमिनेशन मेथड से हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को इस फर्स्ट को सेकंड में से माइनस कर दूं या सेकंड में से फर्स्ट को माइनस कर दूं तो ए एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा और डी बच जाएगा. मीन्स व्हाट वी डू ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 1 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2, 2 में से 1, तो 2 पहले लिख ले। 1 प्लस 6d इज इक्वल टू 9, सॉरी a प्लस 6d इज इक्वल टू 9 एंड a प्लस 2d इज इक्वल टू 5। क्या करना है आपको? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, माइनस माइनस माइनस, और ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे। a माइनस a इज 0। सो 6 माइनस 2 is 4, 4d is equal to 9 minus 5 is also 4. So d is equal to what? 4 by 4, that is d is equal to 1. d आपके पास 1 मिल गया। Okay. Now you have to put the value of d in one of the equation, either in 1 or 2. So putting d is equal to 1 in equation 1. If you will put value of d in equation 1, so what we get? A plus 2d, and d is what? 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 5. A plus 2 is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 minus 2, that is a is equal to 3. So what we get? A is equal to 3 and d is equal to 1. Now easily we can form an AP. So the required AP, will be what? फर्स्ट टर्म आपका 3 है। अब एपी हम इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंस उसमें ऐड करते जाएं, तो 3 प्लस 1 4, 1 क्यों ऐड किया? 1 डिफरेंस है। फिर 4 प्लस 1 5, 5 प्लस 1 6 एंड so on. This will be the required AP. Example 6. Check whether 301 is term of list of number. This list of number is what? First of all we have to check whether it is AP or not. So see, 11 minus 5 it is 6, 17 minus 11 it is 6, 23 minus 17 it is again 6. So the given list of numbers is an AP. Means the given AP is what? 5, 11, 17 and 23. Okay. So the first term a is equal to 5, common difference 11 minus 5, that is 6. Now we have to check that 301 is the term of this AP or not. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Here we assume let an is equal to 301. So हमने 301 को एक टर्म एज्यूम कर लिया। a is what? 5 plus n minus 1 into d. d is given, it is 6. So 301 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Subtract it, you will get 296 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 296 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. n minus 1 is equal to, divided by 6, you will get 6 4 ja 24. Then what is remaining? 5. 5 6 56, and it is what? Divide by 6. So 6 9 जा 54 and what is remaining 2, so it is 2 by 6 means you will not get an whole number. See, n is equal to what? 2 by 6 means 1 by 3, that it is 49 whole 1 upon 3. So n is equal to what? ये पॉजिटिव उधर जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 50 whole 1 upon 3. But this n cannot be a fraction. Okay, so this is not possible. N cannot be a fraction. N must be what? Must be whole number. Okay, this implies it is not possible, and if it is not possible, then 301 is not a term of given AP. ये जो है given AP का टर्म नहीं होगा.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो